Hello everyone, today's video is just gonna quick review and test those two model, the same thing, 200 watt. Let's start with this one. There's this different shape only, but the same, pretty much same quality and same power. So this one, it has a 200 watt plastic welder, and it's rechargeable type C. And here is the indicator, like the voltage indicator for the battery. This one, the battery lasts long and it's fast charging too. It's very powerful, a good tool, and you can watch the rest of the video to see how I fix my car bumper with this one. Also, it comes with everything you need, almost different sizes, like the stitches or the wiring, different size and different shape. I'll show you quickly. So there are 4 different shapes for welding plastic. This shape, or this one, and this type also, and this type for maybe corners, inside corners or so. You can order more. It comes with like about 400 pieces, sometimes 600 or even more. It depends what type or how many you need when you order them. This I'll put the link of the description down below where to buy those. It comes with the cutting pliers and the cable type C, and this is fast charge one. So it's pretty much very handy. And see, when I'm just gonna do one and see how powerful is this. This is, however, it's not fully charged. It's good to charge it before using it. So see how long it takes to get this really super hot. See, it takes about maybe just 3 seconds or so to turn this super hot. That's how powerful is this. Very powerful, very easy to use. Those get super hot very quick, and they get cold also very quick. So this one is the same thing, but just different design. It's also 200 watt, also same kit, same pretty much everything, and comes with the quick user manual and stuff. It's a type C, also rechargeable. And this is the model number, H2 plastic welder gun. And here's the sticker, says here plastic welder gun model H200. And here's the says the input DC 3.3 to 4 volt, 200 watt. This one, same thing pretty much. It says 5. This is input 5 volt, 500,000 milliamp, and the model number for this one XC-01. And they pretty much almost same thing, same power, but just a different shape. Very useful tool and easy to use. Rechargeable, both type C's, and the battery lasts longer, and it gets the job done. Let's see this one, how long it takes to turn this super hot red. There is an LED here. Both of them, they have an LED light here. So this one, model H200, it's not making this red quick. It's not, I don't know, for some reason it's taking a little longer. Let's see. Okay, it's hot, but it's not. Give it a try again. See this one, how long it takes to turn this like red, huh? Okay, so yeah, seems like this one is not powerful as this for some reason. See that? Try again. This is the H200. We're gonna try this one, the XC01. Okay. Yeah. See? That's more powerful. So this one more powerful than this actually. It has like this one, it's 5000 milliamp. This one 200 watt, but also this is 200 watt. For some reason, this is not fast or powerful as this. So you see there are two tiny holes over there, one, two, and that's how you connect this one here. And then once it's turned to hot, you put it on plastic like that. See, I'm gonna give it a try. Here's a piece of plastic. Wait a little bit, and then you pull. Let's try this one. For some reason, this is not doing a good job. Yeah, this is kind of, I don't know, for some reason, it's not doing a good job. But this is a really good one. So if you want to buy, go with this model, the XC01. This is more powerful, fast, not like as this one, the H200. For some reason, this is not doing a good job. It's kind of slow. The battery is fully charged, but see, this one is the battery, not even fully charged, but it's still very powerful. And those are, you can to break this one, it's just simple like that. You can break it, or you can use the pliers to cut it. Thank you, and see you next time. So here I just did like one stitch only, like one wire, and it's very strong, as you see. Let's do another one. Good. Takes just a few seconds to getting cold, you know. Don't cut them right away. Wait maybe like a minute or so, and you know, it takes about few, like just a minute or so, and they are really really good. Very very handy, wireless, rechargeable, type C, 200 watt, and the battery still, I'm still using it for like half an hour, still the battery fully charged. Super good actually. Now to break those, once they are cold, there are two ways to break them. You can cut them or you can break them. See? So breaking them, it's just perfect. Like that. You can sand it, paint it, you know, but it's super good. Very, very good tool actually.